में ये होना हम एक यूज किया था जो
सर आज का विजिट क्या था? विजिट
रिक्वेस्ट
सर
वर्दी DGP सर आमच्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर्स मडगांव ऑफिसान आयिल्ल्याचे एज दिस इज अ रुटीन ऑल्सो ऑफिस विजीट एज वेल एज आमचे कडेन ह्या दिसांनी खूब जॉब स्कॅमाच्यो केसीस रजिस्टर जाल्ल्यो आसा डिस्ट्रिक्टान. चड केसी फोंडा आसा आनी मार्दोळ पुलीस स्टेशन आसा. तश्योच 2 केसी काणकोण आसा आनी एक केस वास्कोय आसा रजिस्टर्ड जाल्ली. सो SDPOs ऑफ द कन्सर्न डिस्ट्रिक्ट SDPO फोंडा, वास्को आनी काणकोणा हांकांय आपयल्ले आनी DGP सर हॅज टेकन द briefs of investigation what is conducted in the matter and the further investigation which is required to be done in this matter. Accused in these cases, like for example, Deepashri Gaus Desai, she is under arrest and under custody. Accused Yogesh Konkani is also under arrest. Accused Sandeep Parab is also under arrest. Pooja Naik is also under arrest and they are all in the custody. So whenever accused are in the custody, speedy investigation day to day is necessary. So owing to these job scam matters, the DGP has taken the status of investigations in this case in detail.
मॅडम त्यांचे कडेन कितें प्रूफ आसा कितें दिल्लें?
Investigation is in progress and required investigations are there. Evidences are coming on record in these matters.